So everybody, this is OnePlus Nord 8 GB 128 GB, and this is grey Onyx color. Now we're going to unbox it and show you what exactly are the things you get inside the box. So this is OnePlus Nord 8 128 grey Onyx color, right? And this video is being made by DKG Mobiles Kanpur. So this is like you open it, ये आपका फ़ोन खुल गया और ये है आपका Onyx grey color. Wow, this looks nice. The color looks very nice, really imaging. It's very nice color. Let's see what else is there in the box. Yes, this is then the cover. You get cover inside the pack, and then this is the DAC charger cable and the charger. It's not coming out. Let me just take it out. Yes. So this phone is now available at both of our stores. So you can visit our store, or you can call the number 9838383838 for more information. They'll let you know. The people will, the executive will let you know the offers and the pricing and the other features of the device. Thank you very much.